my story on, this is my little boy. It's that photo that makes me cry. I don't know why it's horrendous. This was May 2011, and that's really where my story starts. In the April of 2011, when I was heavily pregnant, I moved to Cardiff, and 3 weeks later, he arrived, 2 weeks early. And 3 weeks after that, we became homeless, and we were living in a hostel at the time, and I was in a toxic relationship, and it took me 2 years to break free from it. So all of a sudden, April 2013, I'm in this huge city on my own with only a 2-year-old little boy for company. I was okay, I was happy, I was in my Mummy and Riley bubble, as we still call it now. And I was very happy being a first-time mum, but I was also alone and scared and really isolated. But I refused to admit defeat, and everyone will tell you who knows me, I'm way too stubborn to admit defeat. I won't let it happen. So I threw myself into being a mum, and going to play groups, going on trips, enrolled in cookery classes and courses, and rekindled my love for learning. First engaged with Star Communities First in January 2014, and I've since completed 18 courses ranging from level 4 social science to complementary therapies and reflexology. Through these courses, I've made friends almost immediately and began getting my mojo back. July 2014 was the first time I ever earned time credits, and I earned 3 by doing glitter tattoos at a community event. Yesterday I gave the figure that I had earned over 450, and the lady gave me a lift back and she said, that's not right. So we did a quick calculation in the office, and we think I've since earned over 1,300 time credits. So we had to amend the figures. I started a Lego club last April, which led me then to decide to fundraise for everybody in the community, and I single-handedly raised enough money so last October I took myself and Riley and 30 other people to Legoland. I organised a vintage charity tea dance last November and raised over £1,000. And all the volunteers that helped there, they all earned time credits by doing all what I was doing with them. I've recently started a Year 6 tag rugby group, and it's resulted in a cluster-wide tournament, and all the local rugby teams are all getting involved with me. I've done glitter tattoos at Pride in Cardiff. I've done Lego workshops and hearing aid repairs at the Sherman Theatre. Arts and crafts at the Cardiff Museum. I assist tutors at ESOL classes. I made Horace the Hedgehog, who was an earth oven at our community allotment. Last summer I shoveled 13 tonnes of manure. And I've also been a 6-foot shark. Basically there's nothing that I won't do to help my community. Not only do Riley and I spend time credits to each other, but we get great pleasure in gifting them. Riley gives 10 time credits to classmates as birthday presents, along with a catalogue, so they can choose what they want to do with them. I gave 10 time credits each to all the staff members of Communities First that hosted our volunteer Christmas party. One lady said that she spent them in London at St Paul's Cathedral and the Tower of London, and one lady took her fiancé to the Wales Millennium Centre last week to watch Sleeping Beauty at the ballet. I had a childcare issue last week and couldn't get my boy from school, so one of the mums did, and I gave her a time credit which is going to get her free acupuncture. Riley earns his own time credits now. When he comes along with me, I say that he's going to work, which basically just means he'll behave himself because he gets time credits every day. Come the school holidays, we play time credit roulette, which means we get a catalogue and we flip through it, and that's where we go. Luckily, they haven't been too far away, but we've had great days together, and it's fab to feel appreciated, valued, and to have a purpose. Since all my volunteering, these actually sound quite good. I waffle on so much I forget what I say, and it's nice to see it all. Since my volunteering, I've been asked to go to various conferences, which is humbling in itself, and it's an honour to be asked to talk today, because this is the first time I've ever talked in front of you. Since my volunteering, I've been awarded the South Wales Echo Bouquet Week. I was runner-up for the Outstanding Achievement in our Local Heroes Awards, and I won the Strengthening Communities Award. That wasn't part of the plan, I promise. So we go back to the beginning. How do I give my boy the best birthday ever? Riley was 5 on May the 11th and began talking about his birthday on Boxing Day. He kept constantly changing his mind about what he wanted, but he was adamant that he didn't want a party, because everybody was having a party. So I decided, 5th birthday, 5 outings, and those 5 outings were 4 tickets to a Cardiff City football match, 4 cinema tickets, 7 soft play entries at Boulders Soft Play Centre, 15 entries to Green Meadow Community Farm for me and all of his friends, and finished at Angry Birds for the cinema, but just the 2 of us. Now they say that there's no financial equivalent to which one's got my contact lens now? There's no financial equivalent to one of these. It's an hour for an hour. So if you go to the cinema, it's 2 time credits, because on average you're going to be there around 2 hours. But after frantically searching around with some figures, we actually realised that with all of that for Rhwydwaith's birthday, that would have cost me over £180. And there's no way that I could warrant that, not when he had 3 birthday cakes, a holiday to Butlins, a tablet and balloons. But thanks to Spice, I had a big cutch after his birthday, and hearing thanks Mama, I had the best birthday ever, made every hour priceless.